Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do an overturn Wurlitzer walk. Knowing how to do a Wurlitzer already would be really useful. Knowing how to lead walks would be really useful. I'll put links to those videos in the description below so it's easy and quick for you to find them if you want to go back and look at them. Every other bit of technique you're going to need on top of that, we will make sure we tell you while we teach. So you're going to end up going forwards a little bit when you do this, so you need a bit of space. We'll show you. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So let's break it down. It starts like a standard Wurlitzer. We go back to 2 hands and we go flat. Now in a normal Wurlitzer we would push and check with the right hand, stopping the lady looking to our left. We shouldn't be able to see the lady's back because then you're going to be working off the joints and you can end up causing injuries with normal Wurlitzers if you get that bit wrong. But we're actually going to do something intentionally to change the lady's position. We're going to take the hand down a little bit and we're going to roll the wrist. That's basically, guys, we're palm up, we're going to turn to the left and we're going to go palm down, which is going to get the lady round a little bit further. We'd like the lady's arm to be pretty much straight, but we don't want to be stopping the lady hard on the joints. So we're still trying to use the tone in the muscles to stop rather than the joints to stop. And the reason I'm saying about the bent arm position, if the arm is bent when we do this, it tends to not look great. So if we take it down to straight, and also if we hold it straight, it doesn't want to fold up behind the lady's back and she'd then turn even more, because we're trying to avoid that too. We're trying to stop in between normal positions. So from here, we're going to lead the lady to walk slowly. So we're going to go with her for 2 steps. So we're going to go slow, slow. Then the guys are going to stop and we're just going to stretch out. So the lady gets a 3rd one, and that's going to build a little bit of extra tension, which we're then going to use to lead the return spin and catch. Let's do the same from the other side and we'll talk numbers. So we go back 1, flat 2, overturn 3, walking 4, 5, stretching 6, spinning 7, or return spinning 7, and catching 8. So let's try it together. Here we go. 5, 6, overturn Wurlitzer walk. We go a back, flat, overturn, walk, walk, stretch, spin, and catch. And that is that. Hope you like that one and enjoy out on the dance floor. Do be careful, because if you get those kind of shoulder positions wrong when you're leading an overturn, it can be quite uncomfortable and you want to try and avoid that at all costs. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell, and do check out the music link at the end, which is giving you a tune that is nice to practice this to. As always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.